Yo, too, what's cracking, man? It's the one to be Cheddar here. I'm gonna make this sweet, short, simple. You feel me? Hold on, let me. Damn, I'm probably being loud as shit. I'm sorry. That's my bad, guys. Basically, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. We're gonna go over this. Motherfucker, where's my mouse? We're gonna go over this trade. Part of my strategy. I use pretty much. Well, I have two technically, but like this one's more of like a scalping strategy. This is what helped me flip my account yesterday in one trade. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but like I'm still learning, I'm still going and whatnot. And it's crazy too because like to see the progress and see like how far I've come, whether it's mentally, if I take a loss that day, I still, you know what I mean, like the joint, like that the stuff you see on the screen prior to whatever I just cleared, like that stuff, like and to see all the progress and the yeah, it's just a really good feeling. But anyways, GDK, shout out King Vaughn. Do your research if you want to. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to this. Let's go ahead and get to this video. I'm gonna try and make it. I'm gonna try and keep it short. All I ask is that you guys like, subscribe, and comment, man. And I just appreciate the video, the views, or I appreciate you viewing my video. I'm really trying my best here. Last week we had a look, listen, somehow, some way, some way, shape, or form. Mondays always kind of just seem to like, F me up. So like I'm still trying to decide on if I want to trade Mondays or if I don't. Because like that's the beginning of the week where I get excited to trade and then my emotions get like, yeah. So I'm trying to figure out if it's really that or if it's really Mondays. Anyways, into the video. Basically, I've been eating off GU this whole month. The only pair I've been trading this whole month. And bro, listen to me. I cannot like do your research, bro. All it takes is one strategy, and one pair. That's it. That's it, gang. That's it. That's it. Just one strategy, one pair. That's it. Talk to me next. Anyways, motherfucker. Anyways, yeah. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Basically, what I did was, excuse me. What did I buy or did I sell yesterday? I sold. I know I sold. I pulled early. Let me just look. I pulled early. However, I didn't really want it. Like I shouldn't have pulled early, but I did pull early. I pulled at about. Where's my mouse at? I pulled at about. Can you see my mouse? What? You can't see my mouse? What? That's so weird. Hold on. Wait a minute. Where the? Boy, how come you can see the crosshair but not my mouse? That's crazy, gang. Anyways, just look at the crosshair for me. Pretty much, I'm gonna break it down briefly. So boom, this is where we're at yesterday, right? This is where we're at yesterday. This is exactly, was this? Yeah, this was yesterday. All of this right here was yesterday. Anyways, this is where we're at. So if you go to the 1 hour, right? This is the same. I'm telling you, I have a picture of it specifically to make this video because I wanted to share this experience with you guys. The trade for me personally was big. It was one of my biggest. Not like I've made this before, but like in one singular trade, I have not. Unless it's pocket options, that's different. Because I've made 500. I don't know how many times on pocket options. But anyways, like this forex. Let's get to the business, you right? Anyways, basically this is exactly what I did. Okay, I went to the 4 hour, right? Went to the 4 hours. Like, okay, how we looking? Okay, we have some rejection. We also sat. This is where we sat, right? So we also sat like in this zone. And if you look, you got a little bit of a head and shoulders here. And the only reason I say that is because if you go to the weekly, definitely a head and shoulders. Like we're falling. Like you feel me? Like there's like I don't understand. The head and shoulders pattern has an 82%. The regular head and shoulders pattern has an 82 percentile like success rate. I don't understand why on the weekly time frame, if you see a head and shoulders, you don't think you're not falling. You feel me? So yeah. Anyways, so I'm like, okay, cool. We're in sales. Oh shit, what did I just do? Anyways, so we go back here, right? This is exactly what I did. Swear to God, I was like, yeah. I mean, we got a top right here. We have a top right here, but like, I just drew this line straight like this, right? Because I was like, I mean, yeah, it broke out, but did it really break out? No, because it failed the retest. This is a fake out, by the way. And then what I also did was this. I was like, I think I drew it from like right here, and I was like, boom, you feel me? And then what I recognized was a wedge. However, sometimes it's hard for me to determine if we're going up or down on a wedge. But what I thought was, if what I thought in my mind was like, oh, we need a low. You feel me? Go to the 4 hour time frame, and we need a low. So then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna just settle in for sales. So then you go to the 15-minute time frame. This is I kid you not. This is what I did, Gengi. Listen to me. Listen to me. I go to the 15-minute time frame. Right. This is where I get my retest on. 5 minute is for like my entries. This is why I say it's a scalping strategy. I'm talking fast as shit. This is why I say. This is why I say. That's funny as shit. This is why I say it's a scalping strategy. Simply because I feel that it works best on the 4 for confluence, but 1 hour, 15-minute, and 5-minute time frame. And I did the same exact strategy. Today is Friday, December 1st, if you are unaware. This trade took place yesterday, which was Thursday. On Wednesday, I did the same exact thing I did here. Like, I kid you not. It looked like on Wednesday, this is what I did. Wait, hold on. Sorry. I drew a trend. I was like, I understand that support and resistance is strong. However, trend is the trend. Like, if trend gets broken, I get that. But, like, that's just the trend of the market. Just because it gets broken, like, here, does not mean you're really going down until you see that retest. So, like, trend is the trend, right? So then I went like this, and I went like this. I was like, oh, we got a rising wedge. Boom. Except I took it on the equal low. Does that make sense? And that's what's important. That's what's most important. The equal lows and the equal highs and the retest. I love the, except that same strategy. Let's just say I was supposed to make dumb cheese today, and during the Jerome Hayden Powell speech, I was supposed to make dumb cheese and my dumb ass. Anyways, so boom, you got a wedge, right? I swear to God, this is what I did. So I drew this, right? I recognized the wedge, and I was like, oh, we still need a low, right? So when it came up here, I kid you not, my entry was beautiful. When it came up here, like I went to the 5-minute time frame, right? My entry, you feel me? So I came up here. I saw, right? This is what I swear to God, it happened just like this. So I came up here, saw it had an equal high. I know we needed a low. I kid you not, I sold. Except I think it was actually more of like right. Where the fuck? No, I think it might have been. Hold on, let me look. I want to make sure I give you guys the proper information while I break down this trade. Oh, by the way, let me just say that your risk to reward ratio and risk management will save your ass every time. I kid you not, it will save you every single time. Please don't ever think that it won't. Okay, so you know what? I apologize. My trade, okay. Same thing, just different. Just different. It was over here. See, look, this is why I should have made the video yesterday. Let me just delete this shit. Okay, so I had a line going all the way from over there to like over here. But it was still a wedge. It was just a big ass, like the wedge was big as shit. And then this was my trend. This was my trend, like the immediate trend, right? But I had a resistance / support line just like this, and that's where I recognized it. So we can get rid of this line. So that's where I recognized the wedge from, is because my trend was down here. I had a resistance / support zone, and I was like, oh, we got a wedge and we still need a low. I believe. Let me look. Oh no, I did. I remember because it spiked up. So I entered for my first sell at about this point, right? My TP was like 100 pips. No, my first TP was 50 pips. My next one was like 100. And then when I saw this little thing right here, this little zone, like this little buildup of resistance or support, whatever, I took another sell just like this. And I did pull early. I believe this one got 30. But like regardless, I had a 1 to 5 anyways. So my first trade, hold on, let me make sure I get the information right. So on my first trade, I had a 1 to 5. It was 10 pips top stop loss. Excuse me. My first TP was a 1 to 5 at 50 pips, and that did, as you can see, that did end up getting hit. My next one And then I had for the the extension or whatever. I had 100 pips. I had 100 points. Whatever this is, I had 100. Because I say pips, but I don't believe they're pips. Because pip stands for points and percentage, and this number 10 up here is 100 points. So either one of those is pips and points. It doesn't matter. And then I took another sell. So I had two. I had two trades in at the same time, right? Two positions, same trade. And I did end up pulling early. I think I pulled it about right. I saw this rejection. I did pull it right here. So I saw this rejection and I pulled out, allowing me to, one, flip my account, and two, give me the mental confidence to feel good about my trading. I'm glad I did pull early. I'm a little upset that I didn't pull, or that I didn't hold a little longer, because this one was a 50 pip. Like, it happened fast. So like this one was exactly, because I know I watched it hit my TP and then it went for 70. It went from 70, didn't, yeah, okay. And seeing these kinds of things while I'm trading and still kind of being a beginner is nice, because it's allowing me to see the progress firsthand. Like I've been on and off trading for since I was 18. I turned 22 next year, and it's nice just to kind of see like the hard work and the hours you put in, et cetera, pay off. And what's nice though about it is, I mean, I was on and off about it, but at the same time, I think that like at some point, like basically with me, I kind of took the moment to decide, like, is this something that I really want? And when I finally made that decision, I'm like, I write down, or I write in my notebook and take my notes, etc. I just you kind of go along life, and as you wake up every morning or whatever session you trade, you kind of go along, and you just, as time goes, you see the genuine progress. You see the genuine progress, and you see like where you stand, and if you're really making progress or not. And then let's break down. Matter of fact, while we still got time, let's go ahead and talk about this trade that I took today. It was a sell. However, and my first initial thought was a buy. I kid you not. My first initial thought was a boom, 100 pips, because I know I wanted 100 pips. So, or 100, whatever that shit is, whatever. So I knew I wanted it. I was like, boom. That was my first initial thought, and I will tell you why. The strategy is the fucking same, and this is why I tell you. Just because your trend line, hold on, I'm tapping on the screenshot. Just because your trend line gets broken does not mean that this can't happen. We're still in an uptrend, and I will explain to you why. So basically, how this trade went today, and I think this is my biggest loss. I guess you could say I got excited. I thought TA was gonna get broken. So let's go 4 hour real quick. So basically, this is what I saw before, minus this large green candle. This is all I saw, and in my head, I'm thinking, okay, we're going down, but we need a high. And I thought because we needed a high that it was just gonna shoot up real quick and then come crash into them. Like, bro, listen, this is what I thought. We're at this red candle. I was like, okay, we're just gonna do this. Boom, you feel me? And we didn't do that. Hell no, we didn't do that shit. Anyways, bro, come on, yeah. So anyways, I thought we needed a high and it was just gonna pull up real quick and then come down. That's not what happened. Jerome started talking, and I guess Jerome, I say his first. Powell started talking, and this is my first time ever watching a conference like release. I usually just trade, and that's what I should have did, because like I should have understood. Like it's technicals, like, bro, listen. If you can look at the market, bro, listen to me. This is extremely important. If you can look at the market and think, okay, we need a high and then a low, like we're like, bro, it's you get what I'm saying? Like, it's highs and lows here. I mean, granted, there's a little more to it, but. So I did initially have a buy in my analysis. However, I just assumed, I don't know why, don't ever assume when you're trading, follow your mother effing plan. If you're trading, follow your plan. That's all I got to say. Technicals, like TA is the most important thing ever. You feel me? NFP goes by TA. Maybe TA is not the word I'm looking for, but NFP goes by TA. CPI still goes by TA. I know, because I planned both of the trades the night before and they took the fuck off the way that I said they were going to go. You feel me? And that's why There's already people that understand before you what's going to happen in the market. Just follow your fucking trading plan. Don't ever assume. But anyways, I assumed, right? So I assumed, and I was like, okay, we're just gonna go up. Is vaping allowed on YouTube? Anyways, anyways, so I just assumed that we were gonna pull up real quick, price was gonna react and then smash. Or crash. That is not what happened. So here's my initial thought, and this is why I thought buy at first, because I went to the 1 hour before this mess right here. Like I woke up, I hit the charts at 5 o'clock. No, it was like 5:30. So this is all I saw. Everything before these like large green candles. I thought that since we were here, and I guess there's still some things I need to learn. But I thought that since we were here, we were coming up on the 7 hour mark, that it was just gonna pull up and then drop real quick. I did see the higher high, or no, sorry, this is for the buy. Um, what I did for the buy was trend line, right? Trend line, we're going up, and then I had this right here, right? Granted, I mean it broke through, but that's what I thought, because I was like, you're more likely to break a support and resistance than you are a trend line on the 1 hour time frame. So then if we go to the 15 minute, this is exactly what I saw. I was like, okay, we're going up, right? So like I kind of already was under the impression that we were gonna go up, and I saw this higher high. What confused me though is that we were coming down. I don't know why I thought his speech was gonna cause this to break. That's not what happened. It created an equal low, and that is where I should have bought, and I didn't. So then prices going up. I swear to God, prices going up, and it really upset me this morning. My feelings were hurt, bro. My feelings were fucking hurt. Anyways, I saw a price come to this area, and I thought, okay, we filled like a slight liquidity zone. We're gonna drop, because that's pretty much like that, bro. I swear to God, I've done it for the past 2-3 days in a row. That's my strat. Like, you feel me? Like, that's my strategy. Price reacted, I took sales. I was like, boom, boom. You feel me? I was like, okay, we're at least gonna come down here, but if we smash, if we crash, I need 100 pips. That is not what the hell happened. It just kept going and going and going. I ended up getting FOMO'd, and you want to hear what else? Not only did I get FOMO'd, actually I did get FOMO'd. Pretty much, yeah, because I even raised my stop loss. Bro, I've had a 10 pip stop loss for the past 2 weeks. I've been killing it. I should have knew if it hit my stop loss that I should have stopped trading. I had a 10, bro. Listen. You think I'm joking? Swear to God, when this trade took place, price reacted. I literally said, okay, we're gonna fall. My pip. The only time I changed the stop loss was to put it at break even or put it just under, so that I can account for a commission. No, bro, listen, I should have known. If my 10 pips, like, I've been right 3 days in a row. The one time you're wrong, you're getting effing FOMO. Anyways, hopefully this wasn't too confusing, but yeah, it's just patterns and breakouts. I like the idea of the equal highs and equal lows. Lately, that's just kind of what I've been seeing. That doesn't mean that that's not the only thing that works. One, because I've also traded simple, just like for this example, I would have, if I wasn't distracted, I would have got in on this one too, simply because price came rejected. Like, it's not just about I like favor the equal highs and equal lows, because that's like my indication. If you create an effing equal low, right, and you need a high, buy. Like, what the hell? Why wouldn't you buy? Boom, that's 100, or that's almost, okay, but not quite. But like, bro, like, what? A full lot size, 904. I don't know if I can say that, because they say that it's illegal to tell people like what lot size they're allowed to use, or what lot size they can use. Like, so I'm not. Anyways, for me personally, I could have made $940. That is not what happened. And I was upset. But how? And this is why I say, like, let me get real. Like, let's get connected real quick. And this is why I say I'm extremely proud of the progress that I've been making. Yeah, my ass got kicked today, boy. Let me tell you. However, I'm still proud, because I kid you not. We're in the year 2023. Closing 2023. Right? This is the first day of December. We're closing on the year 2023. If this was last year and I took a loss like that, my emotions would have been everywhere and I wouldn't know how to handle. I used to get mad. I used to get upset. It used to be terrible, right? But today, I literally wrote it in my notebook. I said, you know what? Losses happen. It is what it is. It's a part of the game. It's gonna happen. And this is why I say risk management will save you every time. I would have more had I not raised my stop loss. But like, listen, you either want it or you don't. And I'm extremely proud of myself because today's loss was fucking terrible. But my emotions, the way I'm handling it, at least for me, show me that I'm getting better. Because if I can handle a loss like that, right? Granted, again, my account's not big. But if I can still handle my biggest loss ever and not show any like, damn, I'm mad, damn, I'm upset, my feelings are hurt, then you know you're growing. Because you understand that it's a part of the game. You wake up on Monday and you get back to it. Like it's you know what I mean? But anyways, hopefully this helped. Okay, hopefully this helped. I know I talk kind of fast. My dumbass should have seen that coming. A tight list of liquidity sweep with a trend line break. Bro. Usually I've been on my P's and Q's lately. Today, not my day. I just assumed that because Dr. Powell was speaking that we were just gonna go crazy. No, that's not what happened. That's not what happened. But anyways, hopefully this kind of helped explain. I might not have done the best job today. I don't know. I'm still kind of new to this, so like my explanations might not be the best at times. But listen, they will get better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate you watching. And I would also appreciate the feedback. Bro, please don't be in the comments talking about you suck, you can't, blah, 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 you can't. Bro, no. Constructive criticism, not destructive. There's a difference. Please don't say that I can't take criticism if you know you straight talking shit. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and comment. It's a Wanna Be Trader Man. We out, gang.